Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is speculation, and speculation means a lot of things to a lot of different people in terms of how they define it, and that's actually an action to be a speculator. Now, duration is important in terms of speculation. If you're trying to buy something today and sell it 10 minutes from now, you're a day trader, you're speculating. There is no, in my opinion, zero possibility other than you reading a chart or hoping news is coming out. You're speculating in a short-term move. Now, this is an important part of the financial market. Speculation can come from various categories. You could be speculating that something's gonna go down because of possible news or an event. I talked earlier about sector investing. Sometimes speculation that a sector is doing really well, investors will speculate that companies below in that sector that maybe aren't the leaders will be lifted, that rising tide floats all boats scenario. Speculation is an important part when it comes to commodities too, because you can speculate on a short-term move and use a lot of leverage to get an enhanced rate of return, but you also have a lot bigger risk to the downside if you're wrong when you're using margin or you're buying futures contracts. You're taking $1 and you're leveraging up maybe 10, 20 times. As a side note, Lehman Brothers. Lehman Brothers was an important investment bank that was really a big part of corporate America, doing a lot of underwritings and investments in real estate and all kinds of public companies. But they speculated on the housing market, and they were about 40 times leveraged when that speculation went against them. Sometimes people confuse prudent investing with speculation. You could take a real estate and you can buy it and say it's a conservative investment. You can throw on leverage to that investment, over leverage it, and now you have something that was conservative that turned out to be really speculative. Today's word is speculation. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.